Out of 12 forms of the verbs or tenses, the second form of the verb is present continuous tense. When do we use present continuous tense? When action which is going on at the present moment, we use present continuous tense. We are performing our actions now, then we can use present continuous tense. Now let us know the structures with various illustrations. Let us observe the structure now. If the sentence is in present continuous tense, we have to follow the structure. What is the structure? Subject plus be forms plus ing form of the verb plus object. First of all, we must know what are be forms. Let us know what are be forms. Be forms are am, is, are, was, were, be, being, been. All these are called be forms. But in present continuous tense, we have to use am, is, are. When do we use am? When do we use is? When do we use are? Let us know about them. So, when the sentence is in present continuous tense, we have to follow the structure. What is that? Subject plus am or is or are plus ing form of the verb plus object. Now let us observe the examples given there. I am painting a picture now. Second sentence, he is reading a novel now. Third one, they are playing cricket. Now let us come to the agreement of subject with verb. Take the first sentence. What is given there? I am painting a picture now. Here the subject is first person singular, right? As such, we have to use the word am. I am painting a picture now. Suppose if you want to take first person plural, we are painting pictures, right? Come to the second one. He is reading a novel now. What is the second sentence subject? What is the subject given in the second sentence? He. He is third person singular. If it is third person singular, then we have to use is. He is reading a novel now. Now come to the third sentence. What is the third sentence? They are playing cricket. What is subject there? They. The subject is in plural form and the two it is in third person plural, right? As such, we have to use are. They are playing cricket. We can write some more examples to have better understanding of how we have to use be forms along with the subjects. Here are some more examples given. I am teaching. You are learning. He is dancing. They are playing. Kavya is singing. Ravi and Kishore are watching. Again, look at the first sentence. In the first sentence, the subject is first person singular, so we have to use am. When you come to the second sentence, you are learning. That you may be referred to either a single person or more than one. So, second person singular or plural, we have to use are. You are learning. And third one, he is dancing. Here, in the third one, the subject is third person singular, so he is dancing. Fourth one, they are playing. The word they is third person plural. They are playing. Now come to the fifth one. Kavya is singing. Here we used, in the above four sentences, we used pronouns. But in the fifth sentence, we used proper noun. Kavya is singing. We are talking about one girl, so we have to say Kavya is singing. When you come to the sixth one, Ravi and Kishore, here also we used proper nouns. Ravi and Kishore. When we are talking about more than one person, we have to use are. Ravi and Kishore are watching. So, keep all these things in mind while using present continuous tense. In the be forms also, these are the be forms which we have to use. Now let us know how to frame yes or no type of questions when the sentence is in present continuous tense. Let us see the example there. She is going to market. If you want to ask a question that is yes or no type of question, how can you ask? Is she going to market? And what are the expected answers? Yes, she is going to market, or no, she is not going to market. These are two expected answers to that question. And one more thing what you have to observe here is, when we are discussing about simple present tense, as there is no auxiliary verb or helping verb, we had taken do form, right? We have to use do form. But here, since the sentence has auxiliary verb, what is the auxiliary verb used there? Auxiliary verb or helping verb? What is the helping verb used there? Is. So same helping verb can be used while framing question, right? See here, she is going to market. So you have to bring that auxiliary verb first, and then you have to write the sentence in the way. She is going to market. Is she going to market? So the expected answers are yes, she is going to market. So same auxiliary verb can be used. Otherwise you can say no, she is not going to market. These are the expected answers. All these things which you have to keep in mind while making sentences in present continuous tense, whether they are statements or questions, or whether they are positive statements or negative statements. This is the format which you have to follow as far as present continuous tense is formed. Now let us discuss present continuous tense in examination point of view. When sentences are given, how do we use present continuous? When sentences are given in such a way, how do you know that you have to use present continuous tense? There are some keywords which enable you to understand that you have to use present continuous tense. Let us take the first sentence. In the brackets, the verbs are given, you have to use the correct forms of the verbs. Blanks are given, 2 blanks are given. In the brackets it is given be and do. That means you have to use be form. 2 blanks are given, my work now. What are you supposed to write there? What is the be form you have to use there? Here I refers to the first person singular. So you have to use am. You can't say I is, I are. So what do you say? I am. I am, and whenever you use the auxiliary verb am, normally what do we use? Do. Doing. Right? So I am doing my work now. What is the keyword which enables you that you have to use I am doing my work? The keyword is now. At present that work is going on. While discussing about present continuous tense, what did we say? When action going on, we use present continuous tense. So the word now is the keyword to tell I am doing my work. Right? Come to the second one. See how beautifully the peacock. Again 2 blanks are given, and auxiliary verb may be given in the bracket or may not be given. You have to identify. Right? See how beautifully the peacock in the brackets dance is given. What are you supposed to write? See how beautifully the peacock is dancing. Right? What is the keyword which is used there to enable you that you can use the word present continuous tense? Yes, the word see. Here you have to apply your logic while writing sentences. See, when are you able to see? When the action is going on, then only you are able to see, right? So the word see makes you understand that you have to use present continuous tense there. See how beautifully the peacock is dancing. Come to the third one. Here the bell is ringing. How do you know the bell is ringing? What is the keyword used there? Here. When are you able to hear? When the action is going on. When the bell is ringing, then only you are able to hear, right? So the keyword here used is here to understand that you have to use present continuous tense there. Now fourth one. Don't disturb the students. 2 blanks are given again. Write a test. When do we say don't disturb? When the students are writing the test. Then only we say don't disturb, right? When the action is going on, then only you can say don't disturb. So, in this sentence, don't disturb, the students are writing a test. So, here keyword is don't disturb. Come to the last one. His father, again two blanks, work in a bank at present. So, what is the keyword there? At present. At present means it is going on now, right? Presently or at present, whenever we use such keywords, then we can understand you have to use present continuous tense. His father is working in a bank at present. So, sometimes these keywords make you understand that you have to use present continuous tense at that point of time in the given sentences. So, you have to think action is going on at that point of time. Students, while doing exercises, they have to keep all these things in mind. Especially to intermediate students, they have verb forms. All the forms of verb are there. They will get all these things, and for 5 marks are allotted for only for tenses and all. It's very useful to do the exercises. How many exercises they do, that much of command they will get over English. It is not only for doing exercises and all, for spoken English also. These tenses are very, very important. They play very prominent role while writing any reports, while speaking to somebody else, while developing your soft skills and all. These aspects are very, very important to the students. One more thing, what you students have to realize here is that be forms are sometimes used as main verbs and sometimes used as helping verbs. In continuous tense, they are used as helping verbs.